Let's say you're socially anxious. Okay, so what happens when you're socially anxious?
When you have social anxiety disorder, even the most casual social interactions can make you feel uneasy, woozy, and terrified of being judged or rejected. It might be challenging to participate in routine tasks due to severe social anxiety. Want to engage with others more naturally and feel more at ease in social settings? These 5 methods will provide you with a starting point. Let's go. Number 1. Talk with a therapist. Contrary to what some may believe, shyness or feeling uncomfortable and nervous around new people is not the same as social anxiety. Being a mental health problem, social anxiety can sometimes be difficult to treat by yourself. Although there are many things you can do on your own to manage your anxiety and discomforts, seeking professional help is always a smart place to start. A qualified mental health specialist can help you recognize the causes of social anxiety and give advice on how to challenge, replace, or reframe negative beliefs, as well as social skills and relaxation techniques. Additionally, therapy provides a secure setting where patients can practice graded exposure, one potential social anxiety treatment, in order to deal with anxiety-provoking events. Your therapist can suggest group therapy or support groups which allow you the chance to interact with others who are also dealing with social anxiety and practice social skills. Your therapist may also recommend a psychiatrist who can write you a prescription for social anxiety medication. When severe symptoms are somewhat relieved by medication, it is simpler to begin addressing them in treatment. Number 2. Explore specific situations that trigger anxiety. Not every person with social anxiety experiences it in the same manner. Any situation where you worry that people will judge you, such as placing an order at a restaurant or even leaving the classroom during a lecture, can make you feel nervous. On the other hand, if people don't want you to speak up or voice your opinions, you can feel mostly at ease just being in their company. You can start your search for answers to overcome your anxiety by identifying the reasons and times when you experience them most frequently. Start by making a list of the uncomfortable circumstances you find the most difficult to confront. These could consist of introducing yourself to a person you're attracted to, during an interview for a new job, or at a meeting with a professor to seek advice. Number 3. Challenge negative thoughts. You probably spend a lot of time considering how those social situations you just mentioned could go wrong. You might be concerned with slipping and spilling anything on yourself while laughing, sneezing or coughing at the wrong moment, and saying something inappropriate or insulting. These things do occasionally occur, and they can undoubtedly be uncomfortable in the near term. Though it could be unsettling to imagine oneself in a similarly unpleasant circumstance, try to maintain perspective. Even if you do commit a minor social error, it doesn't necessarily indicate that other people will think less of you. In reality, they might recall an instance in which they were in a comparable situation and instead give understanding and compassion. You might even meet a new buddy by bonding over uncomfortable prior experiences. Try realistic thinking, a strategy for confronting and swapping out unhelpful thoughts when you start to feel overtaken by worrisome ones. You can attempt this by posing some straightforward inquiries to yourself about the scenario that's concerning you and offering sincere, objective responses. Number 4. Take small steps. It's okay to begin with little adjustments while managing social anxiety. You're not required to approach everyone you meet and offer to lead a meeting. Here are a few concepts to consider. Avoid using the self-checkout at the store and try to strike up a conversation with the clerk instead. Raise your hand to ask a question in class. Laud the attire of a student or coworker. Invite a few close friends and family members over for a modest gathering. Mingling in your home can make you feel more at ease. Renaming anxious emotions can be helpful for some people. Number 5. Limit alcohol. It frequently appears like a fantastic idea to reduce social anxiety and feel more at ease in social situations by having 1 or 2 drinks. Undoubtedly, a little alcohol can make you feel more at ease, but it can also heighten your anxiety and make you feel worse. Try to develop an awareness of when you drink, how much you drink, and how it makes you feel. This approach is known as mindful drinking. What are your opinions on this video? Do you know a method to cope with anxiety? If so, let us know in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, do give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends and family. We keep coming up with such informative and interesting videos time and time again, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon below. This way, you would never miss out on anything new that we come up with. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.